Hi guys. This is basically what it's been like for like months now, just raining. But I came over here to smoke a recreational. Come here, real quick, and look at this big flat stone that kind of has like a profile going on. Like, it's huge, and it's next to this huge flat stone. And look, it's another one of those snakes with the egg spot. Cool, eh? And then there's another. She hates the rain. I can't get her. And she won't wear a raincoat, so she really wants to just get back. But then these ones, I believe they put here. But yeah, I was down at the lake because I thought that the tree canopy would block the rain enough for her, but it won't. And then there's all these wonderful ones too. Come here for a sec, hun. And look, it's connected. That's a huge groove. Hang on, just wait. And look at that. They fitted in together, I bet, at one point. Okay, we're going now. She hates the rain.